Let's take a look and see what happens when we send an estimate to a client and walk through that entire process. So once an estimate is completed, you click send. You send the estimate to the client with the dialog box here. The estimate is notated as sent up here on the dashboard, and the customer receives an email very much like this with the same language that was in that estimate dialog box and the link to the estimate. So when they click on this, they are taken to a view of the estimate that shows the entire proposal, all the attachments that you put in there, that you can thumb through the proposal very easily by clicking through like this, or you can scroll on this side. You have the cost estimate, the terms and conditions and contractual language that you included in there, and then the approval block where they can either draw their signature, upload a signature file if they want to, or they can just type their name in here. So if they click on approve, now keep in mind they can also modify the estimate. They can request a modification by clicking on modify, and they enter a reason, and then you would be notified on that. They can postpone it, they can decline it. They can also up here view multiple versions of this estimate, or they can also download a PDF of the estimate. And they'll see the exact same things here saved as a PDF. Now let's go ahead and sign off on this estimate for them. Now they will be presented with a dialog that says your estimate is now approved, and if they don't already have a Trackfront account, they'll be prompted to create one. Now they don't have to create one at this stage, it's just an option for them. Okay. Now that they've approved the estimate, you will receive an email notifying you that the status has changed to approved, or any of the other statuses if they chose declined or revised or modify or any of those type of other statuses, and the details and a link to the estimate here as well. And then on your dashboard you will see a green thumbs up indicating that the estimate has been approved. So that's the entire process of what happens on the client side and back on your side after an estimate is sent.